Welcome in, ladies and gents. So today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, in the title, we're going to be talking about scene nesting and why we should use it and what are the benefits of using it. So let's get into it. So what is scene nesting? The scene nesting is where you have a scene made and you add a new scene, that scene into another scene. So we'll show you examples in a second, but you're adding that in as a source, and then you can move that sort. Effectively, it's like a source inside of a scene then. But anyway, let's get into it and let's show you. So let's get into it. Let's show you a few examples of what we mean with the scene nesting. So we're just going to move the camera down in the bottom corner. So as you can see on the left here, we have all my. We're going to say scene a lot, so just all right. We're just going to say it. Here are the list of all my scenes that I've got so far. Obviously, I do add more in. There's gameplay scenes, there's talk shows. That probably shouldn't be there where it is. But anyway, as an example, we've got on my marble scene. It's my gameplay scene, effectively. We have all these different. So these sections here where it says like socials, that's actually turned off at the moment, but we can turn that on and all my socials will pop up, see all the commands that we can put in for them. As an example, you've got nested camera scene, which is this is in there. We've got squats and push-ups. Again, we can move that. I've moved something else, but we're gonna squats and push-ups are there as well. Again, basically what we're doing is we're putting a previously made scene or section into into another scene. So we're grouping all these in, and then we can move them around as sources in that scene. So we're just going to do a quick. So I'm just going to call this nested scene. Oh, can't spell. And we're going to click OK. We're just going to zoom out a second, and actually we'll zoom back in. So now we click the plus button. We press scene. So this is, like I say, we're going to be adding a new source which is a scene into a scene. I'm saying scene so much, but as an example, we're going to put in Pokemon. We'll put Pokemon from Stream Up. We can move that around. So say we'll put it over here. Then we can put in another scene. We're going to put in my breaking news alerts. So we're going to put that in. Again, scrolls across the bottom. And you're starting to build a scene with these other scenes that you've made. So another example. Let's have a look. Um, let's have a look. Oh, there you go. Nested camera scene. So then again, put that in. We can move it around to adjust it as we see fit. We can make it smaller. We can make it bigger. But everything, you're then treating that as a source for that scene. If you want to make any adjustments to that scene, you have to go into that scene. So example, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So if we find my nested camera scene again, I've not got it in any order. Do not do my stuff like that. If I wanted to make any adjustments on this scene, I would have to go to here. So then I can move it around, and then that would be adjusted in the nested scene. So you could use, for like say an example with the nested camera scene, you could put in camera movements in, so you don't have to mess around with that. So example, we could put that back where it was. But that's another thing. We have got a video on that. A link will be in the description, so do check that out as well. But yeah, if that's basically what it is, it's going to be a shortish video. So thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, put them in the comments. Put me in the Discord. I'm on Twitter as well. All the socials are in the description, so make sure we do click them. But yeah, we're on that road to 1K. Excuse me, 1K subscribers. So please drop a sub and a like. Help the algorithm push my videos out. So as for now, we will catch you in the next one. Peace out.